Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you, and more specifically show you and tell you both together how to put stickers on a skateboard. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, this is a skateboard. We're going to put some stickers on the skateboard. Now, I'm not just going to show you like, oh, you just stick the sticker on, because I don't think that would add too much value to your life. So I'm going to tell you more specifically where you should put the stickers on your skateboard if you want them to last a long time. So essentially, the underside of the skateboard is the side that comes into contact with the road, with any curbs, with anything at all, with any rocks, pebble, debris, anything at all. And with that being said, with the underside of the skateboard, there are certain parts of it that are more prone to getting scratched up and coming into contact with those damaging things. So for instance, the tail of the skateboard on both sides massively will get scratched no matter what. I only did maybe like 30 ollies with the skateboard, and you can already see it's already scratched up over here, okay? So literally, it's just bound to happen. It's how skateboarding works. If you're gonna put any stickers on the tail, I recommend sticking closer to the trucks over here. So for instance, I got some stickers over here that my wife got for the kids. It's like there's like a pack of, I don't know, 295 plus stickers. So I asked my wife and my kids, can I use a few of them? They're like, of course. There's probably over 300 stickers in this. So I can definitely use a few. So what I have here is a Spider-Man sticker, okay? And I'm just gonna use this as an example. I wouldn't put the Spider-Man sticker or any sticker over here because it's gonna get scratched up right away. I would place it somewhere over here, right? And you can be creative with it. So as you can see right here, you have the eyes and the mouth. I could make this Spider-Man right here like the nose. I can make this the nose of the water droplet element over here, right? So you can be creative with it. You can use big stickers, small stickers, it's up to you. But definitely stay away from this area. If you're gonna go on the tail of it, you wanna go closer to the truck portion of the tail of it. Now, with regards to the sort of middle of the board over here, okay? If you are doing any sort of board slides or any grinding with the center of your board, this will get scratched up. It's all gonna get scratched up, okay? If you don't plan on doing any grinding of any sort, then what I do recommend is that you place the stickers here, okay? If you don't plan on doing any grinding with the board itself, I recommend that you place the stickers here and sort of stick towards the inner part, because the outer part, if the board lands like this, the outer part is likely to get scuffed up a little bit, but the inner part is less likely to get scuffed up. So I'm just going to grab another sticker. I don't know who this is, to be honest with you. I'm not sure. I don't know all these characters. I know a few of them, but I don't know who this is. This is another character. I don't know. If you know who this is, comment below. Let me know who that is. I don't know what it is. It's I don't even know. I honestly have no clue. Okay, let me see what the title of the sticker booklet is. This is Marvel's Spidey and his amazing friends. So Marvel's Spidey and his amazing friends. So this is obviously one of Spider-Man's amazing friends, okay? Or Spidey's amazing friend, because I guess he's like a mini version. Anyways, I would place this somewhere along here. So for instance, World Industries right here, right? I could put this right in the middle of the O. Like, you can be creative with it. It doesn't have to be, and you can do like a sticker blast where you just blast stickers all over. You do the whole bottom as being a sticker, but I like to preserve the deck itself. So that's why I wouldn't do that. But that's just my style. But anyways, essentially you just stick them down. You don't need to glue them down or anything, just stick them down. What you can do if you want to make them stay better is you can get a little bit of like a clear coat, because you can buy clear coat similar to what you would put on hardwood floors after you stain them, or on a fence after you stain it, anything like that. You can paint on a little bit of clear coat, or spray paint a little bit of clear coat on it, and that will not only secure it down, but it'll protect the sticker. So that's a little added bonus, and I figured I'd throw that in there so you can at least get a decent amount of value from this video instead of me just showing you, putting some stickers on a skateboard underside. But yeah, that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.